हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल एमबीए पाठशाला। तो एमबीए पाठशाला ने आप लोगों की स्पीड बूस्ट करने के लिए, आपकी टेस्ट टेकिंग एबिलिटी को इंप्रूव करने के लिए एक फ्री डेली क्विज का इनिशिएटिव लिया है, जिसको आप लोग हमारे पोर्टल पर www.mbapathshala.com पर जाकर हमारा जो फ्री कोर्सेज का सेक्शन है, कैट 2026 फ्री प्रिपरेशन एक कोर्स है, उसमें एनरोल करके आप डेली बेसिस पर एक फ्री क्विज लगा सकते हो। ये क्विजेज आप लोगों के एग्जाम यानी कि कैट 2026 तक हम लोग प्रोवाइड कराने वाले हैं। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर इसका एनालिसिस मिलेगा, क्विज रहेगी हमारे पोर्टल पर।
Hi friends, welcome to MBA Pathshala's daily doses. So here we are once again to do some interesting question of logical reasoning and data interpretation. So this was the question. I hope you people have already attempted this very interesting question. This is not so difficult if you approach it in a systematic way. So if you have attempted this, well and good. If not, first take a pause and do this question. So here the question is saying that you have to carefully analyze the shape matrix provided below. Now each shape, that is circle, square, triangle and pentagon, they represent a specific positive integer. The numbers to the right of each row, that is these are rows, so number to the right, they represent the sum of all shapes in that row, and the numbers at the bottom of each column, they also represent the sum of all shapes in that column. So sum of all these, that is 21, sum of all these shapes, that is 26, and so on. Okay, so x and y, they are unknown, their values are not known. What are the questions here? The question will give us the idea how to approach. The questions here are the numerical value represented by the triangle, okay, the circle, the pentagon. We have to find the value of x, we have to find the value of y. That means we should first put variables here. Instead of these shapes, we are more comfortable with variables. Let us put variables. So let us say circle is actually the number a. One circle is a. One, let us say, square is b. One triangle is c. And one pentagon, because there are only 4 types of shapes, that is d. So we have now put variables. Now let us convert these in equations. So we have got one circle, that is A, plus we have got two squares, that is 2B, and plus we have got one triangle in this row, that is C. So that sum is 21. Likewise, for the second row, we will start with the first circle, A, we are taking that. So one circle, that is A, plus one square, that is B, plus one triangle, that is C, plus one pentagon, that is D, and that sum is 18. Likewise, in the third row, there is no circle, so no variable A, but there is a square, so 1B, but there are three triangles, so 3C, that is 35. Okay. Likewise, the fourth one, that is no here circle is given, but there are three squares, that is 3B, and one triangle, that is C. So that is actually Y. Let us come to the columns. So here one circle, that is A, and two squares, that is 2B, and one triangle, that is C. So this is already we have written, because in this row and in this column both the things are same and the sum are same, so that this particular column will not give us extra information. So there is no need to write this column. Okay, that is same as this row. Let us take the second column. So one circle, that is A, and one square, that is B, and there are two triangles, so 2C, that is 26. And the third one, there is no circle but a 2 square, so 2b, and 2 triangles, so 2c, that is 30. The last one, the last column, so that sum we have to find out. So let me write it in this side. Here there is no circle, so no variable a, 2 squares, so 2b, and one triangle, that is c, and one pentagon, that is d. So that is actually x. Okay. So here we have got actually 4 variables, but we have got 5 equations. So there is no need of so many equations. If we use, say, this equation and this equation, okay, we can find out the value of b and c. Okay. If we double this equation, b plus 3c is equal to 35 multiplied by 2. So that will give us 2b plus 6c is equal to 70. And this equation we have 2b plus 2c is equal to 30. Okay. Now if we subtract one equation from another, 2b, that cancels out. 6c minus 2, that is 4c. 70 minus 30, that is 40. So c is actually 10. So the value of c, that is 10. Okay, that is triangle is 10. Now we can put the value of c in this equation to get the value of b. So 3 into 10, 30. 35 minus 30, b will be 5. So the value of the square is actually 5. And we can use the first equation to find the value of a, as we know now the value of a square and the triangle, or b or c. So this will give us a plus twice of b is 5 plus c is 10, and that is 21. So solving it, we will get the value of a as 1. So a we are getting as 1, that is circle is 1. And we can use this equation to get the value of d. A we know is 1, b we know is 5, and c is 10. So d will be, to get 18, 10 plus 5, 15, 116. D should be 2. So it is 2. So once these values known, we can find out the value of 3b and c also. So this will be 3 into b is 5 plus 10. So that is 25. So y is 25, and the value of x, that is 2 into b is again 5 plus c is 10 plus d is, so that will be 22. So the value of x and y, that is also calculated. 2 into 5, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 2, 22. Let us go to the questions. What is the numerical value represented by the triangle? So triangle here, that was 10. So answer will be option C. What is the numerical value represented by the circle? The circle is 1. So option A. What is the numerical value represented by the pentagon? So the pentagon is 2. So option B. Based on the pattern, what is the missing value x? The sum of the fourth column. So missing value x, this is 22. The answer is option C. And based on the pattern, what is the missing value y? The sum of the fourth row. So that we can see that the sum of the fourth row y is 25. So the answer will be option. So this completes this set.